Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with Facebook groups. And I'm not talking about spamming Facebook groups with different kind of posts, with sharing your affiliate products or anything like that. I'm actually talking about legit way to make money with Facebook groups. But first, let me show you some of my Facebook groups. So here, this is one of my Facebook groups, and here you can see I have 1,100 members. And this is another of my Facebook groups. Here you can see I have 35,000 members. And when I go here on growth, you can see more data. Here you can see 35,382 total members. Number of members is constantly growing, which means this is an active group. Here you can see growth of this group. Here you can see posts. And when I go here on membership, here you can see gender and age. Here you can see top countries, 33,000 from 35,000. 33,000 are from United States, 520 from Canada, 377 from United Kingdom. So this group has a good potential. Here I can see engagement of this group. Just give it a second. Here you can see 33,400 posts in past year. Okay, here you can see 13,633 active members in past 30 days in April. And here you can see popular days, popular time, most popular posts. So this group has a good potential. Now imagine if you have 35,000 member group that is actually really active. How much free traffic you can actually get from this group? A lot, right? So first thing you need to do, you need to choose niche of your group. And actually this group here is buy and sell group, which is great for drop shipping because it is a buy and sell group. So I can actually promote different kind of my drop ship products and make a good money. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose a niche of your group. For example, fishing or fishing equipment or whatever, okay? And then you need to create a group. Now, I will not show you how to create groups because it is really easy. But how do you actually grow your group? Well, what you need to do when you're creating your group, you need to make two important settings. First, you need to make your group to be private. Why? Because when you go, for example, one of these groups, let's just say, for example, fishing, and when I go here on groups, and I need to find a public group. So let me just find a public group. Actually, these are groups. So let's say, for example, here you can see this is a public group. So I am not a member. As you can see, join group. I am not a member of this group. But even though I can actually make a post, I can also leave a comment on this post, even though I'm not a member. And that is why you need to make your group to be private, because if someone actually wishes to see what is going on in that group, they need to join. Now, second setting that you need to set up is you need to make your group you need to make all of the member requests to be automatically approved. Why? Because for some reason Facebook likes when member requests are approved as fast as possible. Those are two really important settings that you need to make when you are creating group. You can also set that up later, okay? So now what you need to do when you created your group, you need to start getting members. Now, one of the best methods to boost engagement in your Facebook groups is to actually start polls. In Facebook, like engagement, if your group has a good engagement, Facebook will promote your groups. So what you can do, you can simply go on ChatGPT or DeepSeek and you can ask it to give you catchy poll for Facebook group. And after that, you simply need to come here on your Facebook group, click to make a post, and then simply scroll here, click on poll. And here you can ask a question, here you have an options, and after that, just click here on done, and you will make a poll in your Facebook group. Now, polls are available only on smartphones, okay? And people like polls, people like to voting on polls, people like to leave comments and start discussions on the polls, and that will, like I said, boost your engagement, and Facebook will like your group and Facebook will promote your group, and you will start getting new members every day. So what you can do, you can simply find groups in your niche. For example, if you're a fishing niche, you can find group like this, and then you can go here on people, and here you can find administrator, and you can click here and you can send it a message to this administrator and ask it for share. For share, you will share their group, they will share your group, and you will promote each other's groups, and you will start getting group members. Also, Facebook really likes engagement, so you need to start making your group members to engage as much as possible. So what you can do is you can actually go, for example, and find some fish, in this case fishing related Facebook groups. So for example, here I searched for fishing and I will go here on pages, and for example, okay, top fishing videos. That is perfect. That is perfect for us. I will click here to open this page and just give it a second. And then I need to go here on videos. And here I need to see which of these videos actually went viral. Here you can see 21,000 views, 15,000, 40,000, 19, 31. Let me just find 47. 200,000 views. So what I need to do, I need to click on this video and let me just pause this, okay? And I need to click here on share. And then I need to choose here groups. And I need to share this video from this Facebook fan page in one of my groups, in my group. Why? Because if this video went viral on this page, chances are members of my group will also like this video, and they will watch it and they will like it and they will comment on that video. And like I said, Facebook likes engagement, and that is why Facebook will promote your group. Also, what you can do is you can simply go on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, and you can find viral videos there in your niche, and you can ask those people to share for permission to share those videos in your Facebook groups. Because like I said, if those videos went viral on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, chances are members of your group in that niche will like those videos as well, and they will engage with that videos. And like I said, engagement is the king on Facebook. Facebook likes engagement, and Facebook will then promote your Facebook group. But how do you actually make money with Facebook groups, with such a big Facebook group? So what I do, I actually go here on ChatGPT and I tell it something like this. Give me ideas for my fishing tackle article, okay? And then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give me some ideas. And then I will choose one of these ideas and I will tell ChatGPT to write me an article for that idea. And then I would simply go here on Amazon and I would find that fishing equipment. For example, fishing equipment, and here you can see there is lots of fishing equipment that I can promote, and I would add my Amazon affiliate links to that article, and I would publish that article on medium.com, vocal media. But best option by far, guys, is to publish that article on your own blog or website. So if you can create your blog or website, create it and publish that article and add your affiliate links, Amazon affiliate links in this case, on that article on your own blog or on your website, okay? And then what I would do, I would simply go on my Facebook group and I would share a link to that article on my Facebook group. But here is the thing, when you are administrator of that group, you have one option. So what you can do, you can simply click here on these three dots, and here you can see pin to featured. So you can pin this post on top of your group. So every time somebody enters that group, first post they would see would be your post. So if you have 35,000 active members, you can easily get 4, 5, even 6,000 visits, totally free, targeted visits in just 3 or 4 days. You can make a lots of sales. You can make a good money. If you have 50, 60, 100,000 active members, trust me guys, you can get 10 to 15,000 visits easily to your article in just 3 or 4 days. And you can share those articles and you can pin those articles in your Facebook group every day. And you can easily make $2, $3, $5,000 from your Facebook group every month, easily. Of course, you will need to spend some time and some work to grow that Facebook group by using tactics that I showed you. But trust me guys, next year, this time next year, you will be making good money from your Facebook group. So this is how you make money with Facebook groups, and affiliate marketing.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.